Unfortunately, we faced very difficult weather conditions today. So we postponed the men's competition and connected with this also the women's. The jury decided that it was impossible. There were mega strong gusts, so this was a safety issue. That means the men were rescheduled already this morning to tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock. The women, we tried. We started as the conditions were definitely much better with the zeroing, but during the zeroing it got totally worse again. So the jury came together another time and decided that also the women's individual for today is cancelled and is also rescheduled to tomorrow. Single mixed and mixed relay will not take place tomorrow, and we're gonna look into the schedule if there is a chance to reschedule those mixed relay and single mixed at another IBU cup venue.